No, Stacy, this is my chocolate fountain.
No, it's mine! I saw it first!
Oh, I bought it!
Enough! Let's have a chocolate fountain challenge and whoever wins takes a fountain!
Oh, let's do it!
Bring it on!
Whoa!
I love magic! Time for your first challenge! Last one to stop eating wins! 3, 2, 1, flip! Alright! Strawberry!
What? I got jalapenos? Oh, it's gonna be so hot!
Well, I love strawberries! So good! Your turn, Max!
Oh man, here goes. Oh, those are pretty good.
Just wait for the spiciness to kick in.
Ah, it's so hot! Ah, I need chocolate! Oh, it's so much better!
Ready for the next challenge? Yeah! Oh, I wonder what's under these lids. Only one way to find out. Lift them up.
What? Lemons?
Yes! Chocolate bunny!
Wait, I can use these to prank Stacy. Hey guys, what's that?
Huh? Hey, I didn't see anything.
Oh, well, you must have just missed it.
Well, that's fine. I'll just enjoy my bunny now. Oh, why is it so sour?
Oh, I don't know.
I'll break you. Your turn, Max.
Oh, all right, fine. Here I go. It's so sour. Oh, that was so sour.
Oh, we're done? Yeah. All right, let's go to the next round.
Oh, I have a really good feeling about this one.
Then let's get this challenge started. Open up your lids.
Oh, yes, donuts.
Oh, broccoli.
Ah, I love the smell of donuts.
Hey, Max, I think broccoli with chocolate would actually be really good.
Really? You taste it first then.
Okay, Max. See, Max? It's delicious. Want to trade?
Okay, yeah.
Yay!
All right, let's give it a try. Stacy, you tricked me.
No take backs. This looks amazing. Ready for the next round?
Yeah, I guess.
Absolutely. I can't wait for more chocolate. Then open up the lids and dig in.
Whoa, eyeball.
Are those eggs?
Ooh, I see you.
Oh, Max, get those out of my face. Chocolate covered eggs. Can't hurt to try them. These are actually pretty good. Where'd you like them?
I wonder how these will taste. Oh, yummy eyeball.
Yummy egg. On to the next round. Who's ready for some more chocolate?
I'm always ready.
Yeah. Then be ready to open your lids now. Huh? Rock candy?
French fries?
Actually, this is pretty cool. I can rock out to this candy.
Oh, rock candy and chocolate sound so good.
Sorry, Max. These look so good! Oh, my teeth! Oh, I didn't even get to taste it!
Time for my French fries. I don't know. That's so good. That was so yummy.
Oh, I wish I could say the same. Well, maybe you guys will enjoy the next round.
Ooh, all this food has been so good.
Yeah, so delicious. Then lift up your lid for your next tasty meal. Sushi?
Oh, chips.
I don't know about this one. I can't do this. I give up. If you eat your chips, you win.
Oh, chips and chocolate? That's easy. Oh, that was so good. I need more. Yeah.
You already won, Max. You don't have to eat any more.
But they're so good.
Okay.
Oh, I think I ate too many chips. Oh.
That's what you get. Congratulations, Max. You won the chocolate fountain.
Yes.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll